What are you doing, Sabina? For Gigi? Why?
Because it's her birthday.
Oh, that's so great. What are you going to put on her cake?
Candle.
A candle?
Pink.
A pink candle. Oh, I think Gigi will love that. And what else? Oh, I think Gigi would really love.
How about we do this?
Yeah. Oh, that's a great idea for Gigi. Oliver, do you want to say hi to Gigi?
But I'm making a cake for you, Gigi.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, it's ready.
Oliver Brez is making a tower for you, and Sabina's making a cake. Oliver, can you say for Gigi? That's his specialty. Would you like to sing happy birthday to her? You sing it.
It's almost ready, Gigi.
Okay. Do you miss Gigi, Sabina? Do you think she's going to come home from Italy soon? Yeah.
And we're going to be there too.
We're going to be there too?
Yeah.
I hope so. Where do we have to go to see Gigi?
In Italy.
In what?
In Italy.
Italy. Woo! Let's go to Italy.
Look.
Wow!
And we need some strawberries.
Oh, put some strawberries on. Oh my goodness. She's gonna love this cake. Gigi, do you see her birthday cake? Is she gonna make a wish from the candle?
It's almost ready. There.
Wow! Let's sing to her. To you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Do you want to blow out the candles for her? Say, we love you.
I love you.
What a great video.